Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Surgeon Simulator 2 online. This game offers a fantastic multiplayer experience where you can team up with up to 3 other friends. You'll find the multiplayer option right on the main menu, making it super easy to jump into the action. Get ready to collaborate, or perhaps cause some delightful mayhem, as you tackle intricate surgical procedures together in a truly unique way. Getting into an online game is straightforward. If you want to host, simply select the Host Game option and the system will generate a unique 5-digit code for your session. Share this code with your friends and they can use it to join you. Alternatively, if you're looking to join someone else's game, just enter their specific code into the Join Game section. It's a quick and easy way to connect with your fellow surgeons. When playing online, teamwork is absolutely key to success. Make sure to communicate clearly with your fellow surgeons. Perhaps one person handles the instruments while another focuses on the actual procedure. Coordinating your movements and actions can prevent a lot of accidental damage and improve your chances of a successful operation. Remember, 4 hands are better than 1, especially when they're all trying to grab the same organ. Beyond the standard operations, Surgeon Simulator 2 boasts a vibrant community and an incredible array of custom levels. You can dive into the Bossa Labs medical facility to explore thousands of user-created challenges, offering endless replayability. Feeling creative? Design your own intricate levels and share them with the world. Engaging with the community allows you to discover new strategies and enjoy the game in countless innovative ways.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.